All right, guys. So we want to use Google Analytics to track our e-commerce sales, and we want to track for data to help with our paid traffic efforts. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you don't have it already, is you need a Google Analytics account. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to do. The next thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our Google Analytics tracking code is in the header of our website. Okay, so where you get that is you go to admin right here. There's a wheel right here, and there's a place right here in the middle of it says property tracking code. Tracking code. There we go. Tracking info, tracking code. We want to get this and we want to put it in the header of our website. Okay, that's the first thing we want to do. Because whenever someone visits our website and let's say they buy a product or they buy tickets, I want Google to send that information back to my analytics account and then let me know how much did they spend, where did they go, how long were they there, what pages did they look at, and all that data is going to be very helpful. So you need to put this code on there, okay? Next thing we're going to want to do is if you have a WooCommerce account or if you have a ClickFunnels account and you know that there's a thank you page or an order reservation or order complete or reservation complete, whatever that URL is, you need that URL, okay? And the reason why you need that URL is because you're going to tell Google Analytics that you want them to say, whenever they get to this part of your funnel or the thank you page, you want that information triggered, okay? So in this case, we're going to create goals, okay? In this case, you're going to make a new goal, okay? And I already have them set up, so I'm going to just show you what I have already set up. Okay. So obviously you're going to put all your information about your website. It's to know everything about what exactly you do. In this case, I am optimizing for anybody who buys tickets, okay? So I click, obviously, the buy ticket. This is completed online purchase, okay? Just like for you, for your WooCommerce account, for your ClickFunnels account, we want to optimize for that thank you page, okay? In this case, my description is buy tickets, and my destination is a thank you page, right? I want every time that they go to that, again, they go to that thank you page, I want Google to tell me, hey, you got a thank you page that was already seen. That means they went through the funnel steps. Make sense? Okay. In this case, we're going to click equals to. Make sure you have equals to. Okay. And in this case, at the end of the .com of this particular URL, it will say /reservation/reservation complete. Now, if you're doing Facebook advertising, this is the part that this is the thank you page is what you're going to create your custom conversion. Okay. You're going to turn on the value. You go on, obviously US, or if you're not in the US, find your, your currency. Put it for 1. Okay. Funnel option. The funnel part, I put it on this. It's optional. I just call it the thank you page. This is where they get, remember, the thank you page is where people say, hey, thank you for your order. You will receive it in whatever, in 2 days, 3 days, whatever. Okay. And I still put the /reservation. I just copied and pasted. Okay. Cool. The next step you're going to have to do is right here under e-commerce settings, turn both enable e-commerce and enable e-commerce, the enhanced e-commerce reporting. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That is really how you set this up. And you're going to go down here to your conversions, e-commerce, overview, and you're going to start seeing the data come in. Now give Google 24 to 48 hours, okay? 1 to 2 days to really get the data as your paid traffic efforts are going out into the marketplace, whether you're using Google ads, Facebook ads, any of that, okay? And that's pretty much it. It's really, really simple. And obviously, as you are tracking you could go down to product performance, and you can start seeing where, which items are the most popular. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just let me know. And good luck on your paid traffic advertising.